Hello, I am Bob Rogers, and I am reviewing Holy Stone's quadcopter drone model HS110. I wanted to try flying a drone to see if I liked it. I purchased Holy Stone's FS181 and enjoyed flying it. Holy Stone contacted me and asked me if I would test the HS110 model and offer my honest review. And so here it is. The HS110 has real-time video image transmission to your cell phone and also permits using your smartphone to control the drone. The FS181 does not have those features. The drone is well packed, both from Amazon and from Holy Stone. Inside the box was the drone itself, the controller, instruction manual, blade guards, landing gear, extra propellers, and smartphone mount. The blade guards are press fit and they did not stay for me, so I used model glue to hold them in place. Here is the fully assembled drone complete with blade guards and landing gear. I purchased the black drone. A green one is also available. This is a view from the rear. A nice feature is the easily accessible on-off switch and a micro USB port for charging the battery without having to remove it. Here is the controller with my iPhone in the mount. The first step is to pair the Wi-Fi signal of the drone and iPhone. Then start the Holy Stone app. I previously downloaded the app to my iPhone. Using the app, you can turn the video camera on and off and also take still pictures. Now you need to pair the drone and the controller. Turn the controller on and push the left joystick up and then down. Now the drone and the controller are paired. I will be flying the drone in headless mode. The joysticks control the direction of flight. Buttons on the left control blade speed. There are 4 settings. I will be using the lowest speed. The app on the iPhone is used to turn the drone's video camera on and off. A nice feature is one-button takeoff and landing. On takeoff, the drone elevates to about 3 feet and then holds, waiting for additional commands. The drone has 4 LED lights. There are 2 in the back. The left is red and the right is green. The 2 in the front are white, so you always know in which direction the drone is facing. Just a reminder that I am flying in headless mode. Also, I am just a novice at flying. This drone is capable of doing flips and other tricks, but I am not there yet. Also, there is a one key return, but it will return in a straight line, which is a problem if there are obstacles in the way. So I have not used that feature at all. You can see by watching the leaves on the trees in the background that there is a slight wind. I would guess it varies from calm to about 5 miles per hour. One nice thing about this drone, at least in these conditions, it seems pretty stable. I think the only limitation is the operator rather than the drone. So it flies very, very nicely in my opinion. I can control it quite easily. The joysticks respond well. And overall, I'm pleased with the way in which this drone operates. It's a lot of fun. Obviously, the video that you can see in the lower right-hand corner is being taken by the drone's camera. It's at 720p, and it's just fine for having fun with taking videos and so forth. If I were a little bit more adept at flying the drone, I'm sure that I could improve the video aspect of this drone. So it's a joy to fly. I thought I tried landing on the takeoff point, but as you can see, I haven't quite mastered doing that. Came close, but it's a pretty small target, and I'm not good enough at flying this drone quite yet. So maybe with a little bit more practice, I will be able to accomplish that.